Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese kulcha at home. First, let's prepare the dough. Combine 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking powder in a large bowl. Gradually add 1 cup of warm milk and 2 tablespoons of oil. Knead this mixture for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Cover the dough and let it rise in a warm spot for at least 1 hour, or until it doubles in size. Now, let's create the delicious cheese filling. Grate 200 grams of mozzarella cheese and 100 grams of cheddar cheese into a bowl. To this, add 2 finely chopped green chilies and 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves. For an extra kick, include a pinch of black pepper and about 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure the flavors are well combined. This savory filling is the heart of our kulcha. With our dough risen and filling ready, it's time to assemble. Divide the dough into 8 equal portions. Take 1 portion and roll it into a small, thick disc, about 3 inches in diameter. Place a generous spoonful of the cheese filling right in the center. Carefully bring the edges of the dough together, sealing them tightly to enclose the filling completely. Gently flatten the filled ball and roll it out into an oval or round kulcha shape, about 6 inches across. Finally, let's cook these delightful kulchas. Heat a griddle or tawa over medium heat. Place 1 kulcha on the hot surface and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, until it turns golden brown and develops beautiful puff spots. Once cooked, brush generously with melted butter and sprinkle with a few kalonji seeds for an authentic touch. Serve these hot, fluffy cheese kulchas immediately with a side of your favorite pickle or chutney.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.